Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Kids Education. Today we are going to learn coastal lines of India.
Coastal line of India divided into two parts, Western coastal line and Eastern coastal line. It begins from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at the West Bengal. Indian coastal line touches 9 states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and 2 union territories, Daman and Diu and Puducherry. Gujarat has the longest coastal line in India, which lies in the Kathiawar region. This coastal line is surrounded by the Arabian Sea. The main port of the Gujarat is Kandla Port. Kandla Port is the first economic zone in Asia. The main exports carried out from Kandla, they are grains, salt, textiles and basmati rice. Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra has a coastal line is known as Konkana Coast. The Konkana Plain south of the Gujarat Plain extends from Daman to Goa. The main port of the Maharashtra is Jawaharlal Nehru Port, earlier named Navaseva Port. This port trust handles the largest volume of international and domestic container traffic in India. The main exports carried out from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, they are textiles, carpets, boneless meat, petroleum oils and motor cars. Goa. Goa is the smallest Indian state. It is home to many beautiful beaches in the world. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra in the north and Karnataka in the east and south with the Arabian Sea. The main port of Goa is Mormugao Port. Mormugao Port is the premier iron ore exporting port and it is a major import port for coking coal. The port deals in harbor data, berths, moorings, anchorage facilities, mooring dolphins, cargo handling and storage facilities. Karnataka. The coastal area of Karnataka is known as Kannada. The region is bounded by Konkana in the north, the Western Ghats in the east. The main port of Karnataka is Mangalore Port. It located at near Panambur. The major commodities exported through the port are iron ore, manganese, granite stones, coffee and cashew. The major imports of the port are petroleum products, LPG, wood pulp and finished fertilizers. Kerala. The Kerala Plain, also known as the Malabar Plain. It lies between Mangalore and Kanyakumari. The main port of Kerala is Kochi Port. It is known as best port in the east. It is natural harbour located in the Vembanad Lake. The main imports it out from here. They are petroleum products, military weapons and cashew nuts and also coconuts. Today we learn western coastal plains of India. In the next part we learn eastern coastal plains.
I hope you enjoyed this landing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification on the new videos immediately. Thank you.